Welcome dear students. Now we can see the theorem on areas of similar triangles. The statement of the theorem is like this. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. That means suppose if we have the two triangles, similar triangles is given, we say that this triangle is ABC and this triangle is DEF. We have to prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DE square is equal to BC square by EF square is equal to AC square by DF square. So this is the theorem we have to prove. The detailed proof of this theorem's link I have given in the description box. Please go through that. Now we can solve the problems related to this area of the similar triangles. That exercise 2.4, the first question is, let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF is equal to 15.4 cm, then find the length of BC. Here we can see the diagram. The triangle ABC and triangle DEF are given. Also given the area of the triangle ABC is 64 cm square and area of the triangle DEF is equal to 121 cm square and length of one triangle is given as 15.4 centimeter. Now by using this we have to find the length of the corresponding side of this side EF, that is BC we have to find. So given here triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Area of the triangle ABC divided by area of the triangle DEF, that is equal to BC square by EF square, since by the theorem. Now substitute the given values. Area of triangle ABC is 64 cm square by area of DEF is equal to 121 cm square is equal to BC square by EF square. EF is equal to 15.4 here, that we substitute here, then EF come to here. So BC square is equal to 64 into 15.4 into 15.4. Since EF square it is 15.4, the whole square is 15.4 into 15.4 divided by 121. Now take this BC square is this much, then BC is equal to square root of 64 into 15.4 into 15.4 divided by 121. Hence directly we can take the square root of these values. The square root of 64 is 8 and square root of 15.4, the whole square is 15.4 divided by square root of 121 is equal to 11. Now 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, 4 remaining, 4, 44, that is 11 4s are 44. Now 8 into 1.4 is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Therefore the length of BC here 11.2 centimeter. Question number 2. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2 times DC, AB length is equal to 2 times DC or CD, find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and DOC or COD. Now we can see the answer. Given here AB is parallel to DC. In a trapezium always the opposite sides are one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So in the triangle AOB, now here we have the triangle AOB and COD. In these triangle, angle AOB, this angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Since they are vertically opposite angles, they are equal. And also angle OAB, this angle OAB is equal to OCD. And also angle OBA is equal to angle ODC, since they are alternative angles and also alternative angles are always equal. So here 3 pairs of angles are equal we have proved. Hence according to angle similarity criterion theorem, the triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Now therefore we use the ratio of the areas of the triangle. Area of the triangle AOB divided by area of the triangle COD is equal to AB square by CD square, the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Here AB is the side of the triangle AOB which is corresponding to the side of CD of the triangle COD. Therefore it is AB square by CD square. This implies area of the triangle AOB by area of the triangle COD is equal to, here in the question it is given that AB is equal to 2 times CD. So substitute AB is equal to 2 CD the whole square divided by CD square. 2 square is 4, CD square by CD square. So CD square and CD square getting cancelled. Remain here it is equal to 4 by 1. Hence the ratio will be 4:1. Question number 3. In the figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles. Here we have ABC and DBC. Once again see the direction. ABC and DBC are the two triangles on the same base BC. Both the triangles lying on the same base BC. Hence it exists some properties. If AD intersect BC at O, here AD intersect BC at O, then we have to show that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. Now answer, let AP and DM, AP and here CM are the perpendiculars drawn on BD here. The perpendiculars are drawn on BD. So area of the triangle ABC divided by area of the triangle DBC is equal to half into base is BC, height is here AP, divided by area of the triangle DBC is half into base is again BC and height is here CM. We are writing that CM. So since both the triangles are lying on the same base, that is BC, so we can take the bases are BC only. Now in a triangle APO and in triangle DM, here it is in a triangle APO and in triangle CMO, angle APO is equal to angle CMO is equal to 90 degree. So angle AOP is equal to angle COM here, COM, since they are vertically opposite angle. Therefore triangle APO and triangle CMO are similar. Therefore AP by CM here, AP by CM is equal to AO by CO. So AO by CO here. So put this equation in 1 so that we get area of the triangle ABC divided by area of the triangle DBC is equal to AO by CO. So here we make a correction. We prove this as AO by CO. Next question number 4. If the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are the congruent. So here it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. At the beginning it is given that areas of the two similar triangles. That means the given triangles are similar. First we have to say the given triangles are similar. Once the triangles are similar, according to the theorem, the ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So area of ABC by area of DEF is equal to AB square by DE square is equal to BC square by EF square is equal to AC square by DF square. Take it as equation 1. We have given that the areas of the two similar triangles are equal. That means areas of the triangle ABC is equal to area of the triangle DEF. Therefore the ratio become equal, that is 1:1. If they are equal, if we substitute ABC by ABC getting cancelled, that is 1 by 1 is 1:1. Now from this equation 1 we have, if these ratios are equal, that is 1, then AB square by DE square is equal to BC square by EF square is equal to AC square DF square is equal to 1 we will get. Now AB square by DE square is equal to 1 means AB square is equal to DE square if and only if AB is equal to DE. Hence we write AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF. Therefore here all the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. This is because of side congruency rule. Now we can see the question number 5. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. In the theorem we have proved that the ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. But here we have to prove it is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Now we can see the answer. See, here we have the triangle ABC and PQR here. So here AD and PS are the medians drawn. Then therefore AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. If the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Take it as equation 1. Also their corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Take it as equation 2. Here AD and PS are the medians. Therefore median divide this side into two halves. Hence BD is equal to DC and BD is equal to DC is equal to both will be half of the side BC. Similarly here QS is equal to SR and QS is equal to SR is equal to half of QR. That we have written here. From the equation 1 we have AB by PQ is equal to, here we have the BC by QR is there. BC is equal to what? 2 times BD. So BC is 2 times BD or 2 times DC. BD is equal to half of BC. Hence we substitute the reverse of this. BC is equal to 2 times BD. Here 2 BD by here QR is equal to 2 times QS. So 2 getting cancelled. It will be remaining BD by QS is equal to AC by PR. Take it as equation 1. Now we consider the triangle ABD and a triangle PQS. In this triangle, angle B is equal to angle Q. It is already given that is in equation 2 also we have written, and AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS. This we have proved in equation 3. So from triangle therefore triangle ABD, if they are equal, triangle ABD and triangle PQS are similar, that is according to SAS criteria. Therefore if the triangles are similar, once again we prove the corresponding sides are proportion. Therefore AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS is equal to AD by PS. Take it as equation 4. Now area of the triangle ABC divided by area of the triangle PQS. Here ABC and PQS triangle is equal to BC square by QR square is equal to AB square by PQ square is equal to AC square by PR square. Since this we have proved in the theorem that the ratio of the areas of similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side, that we have written here. Now from equation 1 and 4, the one is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR, and equation 4 is AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS is equal to AD by PS. Hence all these ratios are equal. So we write AB by PQ, here AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PS. Therefore this ratio will be equated to the median AD by PS. Therefore area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is BC by QR is AD by PS. Here BC square by QR square will become AD square by PS square. Hence the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding medians.